Look at this. This is so attention grabbing. This is gonna be the trend for 2018. Hi everyone, my name is Cindy Tai, otherwise known as Infinitely Cindy on YouTube, and I'm also an IPSY Open Studios creator. So my passion for makeup itself comes from the makeup and beauty industry. They're constantly putting out new products. There's always something new, something to get excited about. Today, I'm going to be talking about my personal predictions for the makeup and beauty trends of 2018. So let's be real, we all love our champagne highlighter, but 2018, gold highlighter is taking over. And this is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Highlighter in Trophy Wife, but it's just so pigmented and it's just so unique. We're so used to seeing rose golds or light golds. This is a true yellow tone gold. It's so beautiful on the skin because it makes your skin look radiant, tan, and it really does highlight well. It really draws the eyes to those spots with this beautiful gold color. Start slowly, build it up with your highlight brush, and then I love highlighting my Cupid's bow, and I think that's the perfect place to just add a pop of color, your Cupid's bow and your inner corner. Those two are super easy to highlight and really showcase that gold highlight. My second pick of makeup or beauty trend is going to be the return of glossy lips. It's a hot trend, especially since Fenty Beauty came out with Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow. It's a universal lip gloss that just showcases a natural nude glossy lip. A lot of other brands have put out glossy, whether it's natural lip glosses or clear lip gloss products throughout the couple months. So 2018 just might be the year that glossy lips finally take over. Like, look at this. This is so attention grabbing. Look, this is gonna be the trend for 2018. All right, now my third pick for 2018, beauty supplements. Now, everyone knows 2017 was the year of skincare. So many brands that normally don't do skincare would put out skincare products. My personal favorite of 2017 were those like bubbling detoxifying sheet masks. Oh my gosh, I love those. But I think 2018 is going to give a new aspect to skincare, and that's going to be in the form of taking care of your skin, not with topical products, but starting with from within. So like here we have a Biotin soft chocolate chew, and Biotin is really, really good for your nails and for your hair. And then there's other ones like this beauty one that has collagen and other vitamins that are supposed to be good for your skin. And I saw these, they're drink mixes that you mix with water or lemonade or whatever you want, and it's collagen and it's supposed to reduce fine lines and wrinkles and increase hydration. I think these are going to make a big splash in the mass market for 2018 because it's so easy. Now that a lot of people are hooked on skincare, taking care of their skin, this industry can simply pivot and be like, well, hey, good skin starts from within. And that means taking care of your body and using our supplements. You're definitely gonna see a lot of this in 2018. My fourth pick is going to be chunky glitter. Now, 2017 was super big on fine glitter and also a lot of festival makeup. Everyone loves glitter, but you don't really know how to wear it. But recently, because of festival makeup, everyone's been seeing, oh, I can add some glitter here, right under my eye or in my inner corner. However it is, I can add a little glitter into my life, like chunky glitter, not fine, tiny little bits of glitter eyeshadow, but actual glitter. I think it's gonna be a hit. Okay, and then for the fifth trend, it's going to be one that's extremely personal to me, and that's just using one matte eyeshadow color all over your lid and creating like a nice eyeshadow shape from it. 2017 was the year of cut crease and halo eyes and all these really skill-intensive eyeshadow looks. But I think in 2018, people are gonna simplify their makeup down. Again, glossy lips, super easy, simple highlight, and simple matte all over lid color. And it's a really beautiful look. It's artsy, it's simple, but yet it's not skill intensive. So honestly, anyone can do it, and I think a lot of people will do it in 2018. Okay, and for the sixth trend, it kind of goes along with that matte lid color, and that's just using a bright, iridescent inner corner highlight. It's really fun to get to play with fun colors. Like this is such a mermaid pink, iridescent gold color that I would probably not put all over my lid, but in my inner corner, I definitely would do that. And it's such an easy way to incorporate a pop of color, and it's not intimidating. All you're doing is putting it in the inner corner. So that's why I think this will be a really easy to do, but yet beautiful trend for 2018. Those are my 2018 makeup and beauty trend picks. If you think I missed anything, or if you agree with any of my trend predictions, comment down below and let me know. And if you want to see more of my videos, check me out at Infinitely Cindy on YouTube. But thank you all so much for watching, and I hope you all have an amazing 2018. Bye!